Hey guys, it's Kiley Awesome160, and sorry for not posting yesterday when I was supposed to. So, to make up for that, I am going to be teaching you 2 skills in this snare drumming video instead of just 1. Let's go. Alright, so the next skill that we're going to be learning are flams. And that has a kind of funny name, but it's really simple to do. All it is a quarter note, but instead of just using one stick, you use both. That's a flam. And a flam can be applied to any kind of note, but like flam and buzz bounces, obviously that's not a thing. So I'm going to show you that with my next skill, and that's an eighth note. Now flam eighth notes do exist, and flam quarter notes exist, and all the other fraction notes, names, flams can exist to them, and buzz bounces too. So an eighth note, you know how beats go 1, 2, 3, 4. Eighth notes go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. They add an and in between each beat, so the beat lasts. But the eighth notes go. It's like you would count it as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. It makes an and after each number, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So, combining those 2 skills, flams and eighth notes, you can get 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, or 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, depending on when you apply the flams. Now again, flams can just be a normal quarter note. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And buzz bounces can actually also be applied to eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Alright, so now I'm going to show you what a flam and an eighth note look like. Alright, so I couldn't find a picture of a flam note, so I had to try to make one myself. So this is not exactly what it looks like, but it's basically like a quarter note with a little mini note with a flag connected to it. That's basically what a flam looks like. This is what an eighth note looks like. Flams mixed together with an eighth note can have a lot of variety to them, if you get what I mean. It can either have both notes, the 1 and, or 2 and, or 3 and, or 4 and, depending on where the eighth note is in the measure. It can have flams on both of the little quarter notes that are kind of connected with a bridge, or only one of them. But I'm going to teach you another variation of an eighth note that's basically the exact same thing. Alright, I couldn't find a picture of what I was looking for, but it's basically 2 eighth note pairs, which is what I was just talking about, connected to each other, and it's called a paradiddle. Well, you know how an eighth note represents 1 and, or 2 and, 3 and, or 4 and, depending on, where it is. But paradiddles might mean 1 and 2 and. It's just keeps going because, it's 2 eighth note pairs connected. Or it could mean 3 and 4 and, depending on where it is in the measure. And a double paradiddle, which is another thing. 2 paradiddles is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's basically how to play it. And now I'm going to show you some songs featuring all the skills that we've learned. Well, not all of them. It's I'm going to do multiple songs, and then they'll have, some of them will have some of the skills, and then some of them will have some of the other skills. Alright, I'm going to play this line in my dreidel song you've probably heard before. I'm going to play it because it contains almost all the skills you learned. The only one it doesn't is buzz bounces, which I'm going to play another song for. Alright, so you just see kind of what the song looks like and stuff like that. So remember, these notes pointing down, this is for another drum. I'm focusing on the notes pointing up. Here you go. Oh, I kind of messed up a little bit at the end, but it's okay. You get what I mean. All right, showcasing buzz bounces now. And flams too, and quarter notes. I'm going to be playing a Mozart melody, also known as Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Okay, here we go. All right, so I played 2 songs, and they focused that in all they focused every skill that we've learned so far. Oh, and here's a close-up of what a flam looks like. And that's it for snare drumming part 4. Bye, everybody.